Today I'm going to show you how to make $100 to $500 per day copy pasting ads, and all you really need is a laptop and an internet connection. I received many emails from my subscribers asking how they can make money without risking a lot of money. So this method that we're going to be discussing in this video is something that you can do regardless of your location, age, gender, experience, and also finances. So you can be a broke student and make money with this system as soon as tomorrow. This is a very easy process. It's a two-step process, and all it takes is offers and traffic. And I'm gonna give you both in this video. Before we get started, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you are the first to watch my next Make Money Online video. All right, I'm finally in front of my screen, and I really thought about this for some time because I thought, well, maybe I should tell you to sign up on Max Bounty or any other CPA network, but then really taking a closer look, what's going to be the easiest way for you to get offers? I mean, high-paying offers. Because how you make a full-time income online is by promoting high-ticket affiliate products. This is one of the easiest ways for you to get started if you're a complete beginner who has never made any money online. If you're someone who is worried about the whole process that's involved, if you want to create and sell your own products, then this is something that you want to do right away, right now. So I want to talk about basically two affiliate networks that you can join like instantly, and it's an instantaneous approval process, meaning you don't have to wait a few days before you get approved. It's instant, and it doesn't matter where you're located, as long as you haven't been banned from any of the sites that I'm going to be discussing right now, you're going to be fine. So one of the sites is JVzoo, and JVzoo has been known to have very high converting make money online products, work from home products, and you can sign up on the site. I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So as you can see here, you go to jvzoo.com and you click on Start for Free. And once you clicked on Start for Free, you can see here that you need to put in your legal name. So if you have a company or anything, you still put in your first and last name. So you would put this in here, you put in your email address, you put in the password, you confirm the password, you enter your country, and you click on I have agreed, and yeah, just click on register. And as you can see here, it really tells you that you will need to verify your email address before accessing your new JVzoo account. Here you can see the process, right? Step one is register, and then you're going to verify the account by email, and then you select the way to get paid. You can choose PayPal, and they have other payment methods as well, but most people choose PayPal, and then you're good to go. So that's all it takes. So if you're in India, Australia, Malaysia, Singapore, you can be in Pakistan, you can be in Egypt, wherever you're located, anywhere in the world, you can get an account on JVzoo right here, right now. It only takes a minute. That's it. So that's option one, right? Option number two is Clickbank. I'm sure you know Clickbank, and you probably are thinking around, well, why is he talking about Clickbank? I have already watched so many videos. So I know we haven't talked about the traffic source yet, but this does not have anything to do with, for instance, free classified forums, okay? I know we've probably watched some videos on that, but I'm not showing you the same. I'm not showing you how to post ads on free classified forums. So you're gonna love the two traffic sources that I'm gonna give you, because I don't think you've heard of them. So Clickbank is great for beginners because also it just takes a minute to sign up, and it doesn't matter where you're located, and the process is also very, very easy, right? I mean, you don't have to wait several days or weeks before you get approved, so nobody's really reviewing your accounts. It's very, very cool. So you don't need to show any income proof, nothing of that matter. It's just like instantaneous approval, and anyone can do it. So you go to clickbank.com and you click on sign up, and you just fill in all the details, your country, first name, last name, your phone number, email address, password, and you click on I've read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and then you click on continue to terms and conditions, and voila, here's our account. And the first thing you want to do is add a user. So as you can see here, we have the navigation menu on the left. So it's going to be the fourth icon, I think. Click on this, yeah. Then you want to click on create account. In account type, you're going to put affiliate. want to promote products, right? That's why we joined. And then for the nickname, you can choose anything, you know. You can have more as well. So I'm just gonna choose Web Einstein and create account. And voila, here you are. So we're gonna copy this now. And now that we have this done, we're gonna go to the marketplace, okay? So the marketplace is just 2 icons below. Click on that. And the way that you're going to make the most money as an affiliate marketer, as someone who is looking to copy paste ads to make $100 to $500 per month, is by promoting high ticket affiliate products. And the categories that work usually best are e-business and marketing and investing. Those are the best categories. Now let's click on e-business and marketing, and then we have it filtered by popularity. That's fine. And let's go to the second page and let's find a product to promote. So we're going to choose something that pays a lot. This one here, for instance, $449 is what you're going to get paid per sale, per sign up. That's a lot of money because you're not going to need 1,000 sales to make a lot of money, right? So if you want to make $3,000 a month, you know, you just need 6 sales. That's it. That's all you need. If you want to make 15 a month, you need 30. A bit more than 30, right? But it's very, very doable. So here you can see this pays you $449 and the average rebuild total is $201.92. And what's also important is that you take a look at the offer page. So if you click, for instance, on the name, it's going to open up a new window and it will show you what the landing page looks like. And it's really important that you have a good landing page, and it for sure is, because it offers a free training. So how it works is I'm then going to show you, I haven't even talked about traffic sources yet. So I'm going to give you 2 free traffic sources that you can use to advertise this product. And it's not going to cost you anything. It's just going to require a little bit of work. Just going to require you to copy paste ads, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. It's all you need to do all day long, and you're going to make a ton of money doing this. Okay, so here we are. This landing page looks good. So once the person landed on the page, they're going to get to free training. So it's going to be a webinar, and then they can sign up if they like what they heard, right? But nowadays, webinars are just the top source. I mean, it's the top way on how to convert people, right? So this is great. This is absolutely great. So I'm going to close this now, and I'm going to show you now how you can get your affiliate link. So here you click on promote, and then we would just type in our account name, right? Which would be Web Einstein, the one we just created. And here we have our affiliate link, okay? Now, if you know anything about advertising, this is not the link that we would post because it would just look extremely spammy. It doesn't look like a legit link. So what I like to do is I either use a shortener, so there's stuff like bit.ly. So here we have this, and you can shorten the link here, just put it in, click on shorten, and voila, this is going to be a link. So that's the cheapest way to do it, right? Another way to do it is by simply go to Namecheap, and what you can do is you just purchase a cheap domain like a .info domain, and you're going to set it up on your hosting. I mean, it's pretty easy too, right? I mean, there's actually another video on this channel that shows you how to do this, but for this purpose here, we're just going to use this. But what I would usually do is I would just go to Namecheap and do that, right? So this is pretty much the whole process on choosing an offer and shortening the link. And now, my friend, we're going to talk about the free traffic source that I've been promising you. All right, let's talk about step number 2, which is using a free traffic method that's been proven to work over and over again. And as you can see here, I am on CRAIGSLIST, and what we're going to do is we're going to look for people that are actively seeking for jobs because they want to work, they want to make money, and they're the right people to target. So as you can see here, I'm here on sanantonio.craigslist.org, and we're going to go to resumes, and here you can see all the people that are looking for jobs right now, and they're looking for all kinds of different jobs, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a look at this one. And you can see that this person is looking for a full-time job. They don't really specify what they're looking for, but they're just hungry. They want to work. Anyone who uploads their resume on this site is looking to get to work as soon as possible. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to reply and click on reply, and then just click on open up in Gmail, web links. And now we're opening this up in Gmail, and that's pretty good because we're going to leave the subject line the same. It matches the title that they have on their CRAIGSLIST post, so that's important. And I have something prepared for you here. It's already done. So here's what we're going to send them, right? We're going to say, hey, not too long ago, I was looking for the best and easiest work from home opportunity that I could start immediately. I have been in your shoes. After quitting my regular job, I started to make money with this system. Go here for more info. Boom. It simply works. Hit me up if you have any questions. Wishing you success, Arne. So what we can do here is, right, we can pretty much paste the link, or you could also just go here and bold this and click on hyperlink and then put it in like this. This is actually my preferred way to do it because it looks a lot cooler. But again, I also told you, you can go to like Namecheap, sign up for an account, and you can buy your own domain, your own website. You can do that, right? That's fine. But for now, this is pretty much what we're going to be sending. And then all you're going to do is you're going to click send. Okay, you're going to click on the send button and the email will be sent, and that's really all it takes, right? So this is really just one email for us to send out, right? Once you send this, you can come back in here and you can just take a look at every person that could potentially need your help. And there are many people out there looking for jobs, right? This person is not the only one. I mean, you see remote only, searching for clerical position, whatever. And then we scroll down again. Let's see if we can find another person. Here, this person is looking to become an assistant. But anyway, I mean, sometimes people don't even know what they're looking for because they don't know what's available, so they would find your opportunity very cool because maybe you're the first one to show them that's even possible to start something on their own and make a lot of money doing it. So you can do again the same thing here. You click on reply and you click again, open up in Gmail, and it opens up the window. I mean, this is just so easy, right? So all you need to do is you need to write a simple email, which you do all day long anyway, and then you would just copy paste it all the time. And it's by copy pasting these emails over and over and over and over and over again that you're going to make $100 to $500 per day, because we know that the offer pays $449 and you just need to get one sale, right? So even if you just got a sale a week or 2 sales a week, you're netting $450 to $900 every single week, right? If you can do 3 a day, for sure possible if you really hustle, if you really put in the work, and you just contact more and more people, then you can do extremely well with this method. Before I'm going to give you today's bonus traffic source, I want you to know that this is really easy stuff. I mean, as you can see, it took me like half a minute or a minute to write a 100-word email, or even less than that. It's just so simple. It's really, really simple stuff that anyone can do. And you just save it and you shorten your link. You've done all of that. You've gotten the account. Then it's just copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. You don't have to be really creative. You don't have to work hard in order to do it. But what it's going to require from you is that you're going to do this like every single day. You're going to reach out to like, say, 50 to 100 people a day, because that really increases your chances tremendously for you to get these high ticket commissions over and over and over again. So do this, follow my advice. This stuff works. It just works, okay? But now let's get onto the bonus method. The bonus method is waiting for you and I'm ready to share it. And here is your bonus method, okay? The bonus method is LinkedIn free traffic. It really wonders me a lot why nobody talks about LinkedIn at all. And I think I mentioned in a previous video that a lot of people don't talk about LinkedIn because they want to keep the traffic source to themselves because it makes them so much money that they don't want to share it. So it does make a lot of logical sense if you really think about it. Now, LinkedIn is cool because first of all, it's free. You can sign up for a free account. I'm not going to walk you through this right now. You just go to linkedin.com. You can even sign up with your Gmail address and, just you're choosing a username, a password, you sign up, you confirm your email, you're done. That's it. And once you're here, you just fill in your profile, make sure you have a summary, you have everything filled out. I'm not going to walk you through this now because I want to show you how to get free traffic. I don't want to show you how to beef up your profile. You can watch another video about this that's on my channel as well. So just watch this video. And here we are, right? We're going to search for work from home jobs. Click on that. And now that we're here, we're going to go to groups. Okay, click on more, go to groups, and here all the groups, right? So what you want to do is you want to open up these links here, and you just want to sign up, right? You want to request to join, and the administrator will approve you or not approve you. So make sure that you have your profile filled out before you do it. Just, write a little bit about your experience in marketing, write about what you have done, write about your former education if you have any. Just write a little bit and then request approval from these groups, okay? And then what you want to do is you're going to do very much the same, right? You're going to see a lot of people that are looking for jobs, You're going to see thousands upon thousands upon thousands of people that aren't even aware of the opportunities that you and I are already taking advantage of. Those people, they're just looking for regular jobs. But again, at one point in time, I was looking for a regular job because I didn't even know that this whole internet money existed. I didn't even knew that this opportunity was present, right? But sometimes all it really takes is someone like you or me to come into their life and tell them, inform them about what's possible. So I would just use this here, what I've shown you, right? This email, you can also alter it, you can make it, obviously this is an email, right? But with LinkedIn, you can actually utilize messaging. So it's going to be very similar, right? LinkedIn is more of like a formal networking platform. It's more like a platform to connect with business people, with people who are doing digital marketing and stuff. So it's going to be really effective because, especially if you have a nice profile, and that's all it really takes, right? So LinkedIn is great. And that's really it. That's all I wanted to show you here. So sign up for an account, it's free. Then you want to beef up your account, and then free, you're going to request to join these groups here. There are many. You can also search for other keywords, right? You don't necessarily have to search for work from home. You can also search for business op, for anything. There's many ways. And then you join all these groups. And once you're approved into some of them, you will get a notification right here. And that's the time when you can start working, when you can start making money. Now that I've given you 2 free traffic sources that you can use to make money by copy pasting ads, and you can make $100 to $500 per day, as I pointed out in the video. I've given you the whole process. I've shown you how to get an account on Clickbank, how to choose an offer, how to set up a link, how to get it shortened. I showed you how to reach out to people who are desperately seeking work. And all it really takes for you now is to copy paste the steps that I've given you in this video. What it really requires from you is to hustle. You need to hustle. You need to repeat the steps day in and day out, and I would recommend setting a goal of, say, contacting 50 to 100 people a day so you can make sure that you have the best chances of generating these high-ticket affiliate commissions on a regular basis. Thank you very much for watching my video. I really appreciate you. In case you're not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe below. Also click the like button. It's really going to help me out with the YouTube algorithm. And other than that, I see you on the next video.